welcome to Crafts Day 3 with Miss Rachel, and we're gonna get started. So here are the supplies you're gonna need. You're gonna need your glue stick or glue, but a glue stick is going to work better than a glue bottle. But if you only have a glue bottle, it'll be okay. But most importantly, get your glue stick, and then you need your craft from the previous day. I hope that you kept them in little piles separate. Hope so, and I hope you have your picture. So if you have your picture of your craft, you want to get your picture out. Get on the phone, open it up. You're going to want the picture because you're going to need to put it back together. Now we need to open up our box, put on our sunglasses, and find our craft card. Isn't it funny how sometimes craft cards just get all mixed up in your box? But we're on day 3. You need your day 3 craft card. Looks like this. It says day 3 at the top. Has all the pictures. There it is. You're going to need your black piece of paper right here that you set aside yesterday. You set it aside, right? Should have. And your blue piece of paper, which you also set aside. And we're going to get started. Alright friends, that was tough. I had a hard time. I even messed up a little bit in there. You probably messed up too. Maybe not. Maybe you're better than me at crafts. I don't know. But I thought it was so cool. And that reminds me of our Bible story today, because if you remember our craft, it started out all messed up, but then we put it back together, and doesn't it look so good? I know, you probably got about halfway through and you're like, this is going to look horrible. But then you finish and you're like, wow, this is almost better than what we started with, right? Because remember, we started with a simple picture, and now it looks beautiful. And that's what God does in our lives, you know. When we sin, we are separated from God, but Jesus died on the cross for us so that we can have a relationship with God. And when we accept Christ, did you know that the Bible talks about how it gives us new life, how it makes us different? It gets us to start over and start living our lives the way that God wants us to live. And so that's kind of what we did with our picture. We gave it new life. It's different than when it started. When we accept Christ, we're different than when we start. So tomorrow, we're actually going to talk about how to make that decision to follow Jesus and have new life. And I'm so excited about it. I hope you join us again. But I hope you guys enjoyed crafts today. We had so much fun. Come back. Last day of VBS is tomorrow. So come back, join us for crafts. I'll see you later. Bye.